Hi students. Today class we are going to discuss about transistor as an amplifier. So how transistor acts as an amplifier. Okay. So amplifier means already we know that, right? So it is an electronic device which improves the strength of the input weak signal. Okay. Or else we can say that which increases the amplitude of the input signal. Okay. So here the transistor is connected in CE configuration. That's why it is called CE amplifier, right? So here, so the input signal is applied between base and emitter, and the output voltage is taken across collector and emitter. So here emitter terminal is common for both input and output. So that here the transistor is connected in CE configuration, right? Okay. So already we know that for amplification the transistor should be operated in active region. Okay. So active region means the base emitter junction forward biased and collector base junction should be reverse bias condition. So here in this circuit this VBB battery provides forward biasing to the base emitter junction, and here this VCC battery provides the reverse biasing to the collector base junction. Okay, now this transistor is in active region, right? So here the input AC signal means which signal we want to amplify. That input signal is connected between base and emitter. Okay, so here the base emitter part is input side or input section, and collector emitter side is called as output section, right? So here the input signal is applied between base and emitter, and the output voltage is measured across this resistor RL. Okay, so here this load resistor RL is connected between collector and emitter. Okay, the input signal is applied between base and emitter, and the output voltage is taken across collector and emitter, right? So here input terminal is base current and output terminal is collector, so that input current is base current IB and output current is IC collector current. So that the output voltage across this load resistor RL is nothing but V0 equal to IC into RL, right? Okay, so here you may have doubt. Okay, so already here we connected this AC voltage source, so why should we connect VBB battery, right? So here this VBB and VCC batteries provides DC voltage which are providing constant DC biasing to the transistor, right? So here input signal is AC signal. Okay, so its amplitude is continuously changing with respect to time. Okay, for suppose take this AC input signal, it has alternative positive negative half cycles. Okay, so during so if in case if I remove this VBB battery, now I connect only this AC input source to this base emitter junction. So what happens if input voltage is positive, the base emitter junction is in forward bias condition, right? If input voltage is negative, the base emitter voltage is in reverse bias condition. So here for amplification the condition is the transistor should be operated in active region. Okay, so irrespective of the polarity of the input signal, the transistor should be operated in active region only. Okay, so that's why here we have to connect this VBB battery. Okay, so because of this battery, so this base emitter junction is always be in forward bias condition irrespective of the polarity of the input signal. So whatever may be, if input voltage positive or negative, okay, whatever may be, okay, this base emitter junction is always be in forward bias condition because of this VBB battery. Okay, right? Okay, So before applying of input signal, okay, because of this VBB battery, this base emitter junction is in forward bias condition, right? So its voltage is VBE, and current is IB, right? So here this base emitter junction is in forward bias condition, so its VI characteristics are forward biased PN junction VI characteristics, okay. So already we know that the forward bias VI characteristics of PN junction diode, okay. So until the input voltage less than cut-in voltage, so here I am taking silicon transistor. For silicon transistor, cut-in voltage is 0.7 volts, okay. So until the input voltage less than cut-in voltage 0.7 volts, there is a very little change in the current, right? So after crossing of this cut-in voltage, even though small change in the input voltage, there is a large change in the output current, okay, right? So here, so we have to remember this VI characteristics, right? So here, before applying of input AC signal, already the base emitter junction is in forward bias condition because of this battery VBB, right? So whenever we are applying input signal, means input voltage, okay, so even though small change in the input voltage, there is a large change in the base current IB, right? If IB increases, IC also increases. Why? Because for CE configuration, IC equal to beta times of IB, right? So if IB increases, collector current IC also increases, right? So if IC increases, the output voltage V0 equal to IC into RL. So here RL is fixed value. So if IC increases, right, so V0 also increases, right? So in this way the output voltage is increased, right? Okay, for suppose take this input signal, okay. So here I have taken 40 millivolts peak to peak input signal Vi of t, okay. So let us assume our resistor RL equal to 1 kilo ohm and beta of the transistor is 100 for suppose take, alright, right? So without applying any input signal, right, okay, because of this VBB VCC battery, already the transistor is in active region, okay. So due to this, for suppose take IB equal to assume 20 microamperes, okay, assume 20 microamperes because of battery VBB, okay. Then IC equal to how much? Beta times of IB. So beta equal to 100 and IB equal 20 microamperes. Now IC equal to how much? 2 milliamperes, okay. So here before applying any input signal, because of this batteries VBB VCC, IB equal to 20 microamperes and IC equal to 2 milliamperes. This is our assumption, right? So now apply this input signal to the base emitter junction, okay. For suppose at t equal to 0, input voltage also 0, right? So at t equal to 0, input voltage 0, so IC will not be changed, okay. So IC 20 microamperes, IC also 2 milliamperes, okay. For suppose at t equal to t1, the input voltage is increased to, for suppose 10 millivolts, okay, 10 millivolts. So before applying of this input signal, because of this battery VBB, already this transistor is in forward bias condition, okay. Now this increased 10 millivolts input voltage, which in turn increases the forward biasing of the transistor, so that IB increased, okay. Let us take this increased IB, take 40 microamperes, So that IC equal to now how much? Beta times of IB. Okay, so beta is 100, already we know that. So IB equal to now 40 microamperes. Okay, so now this increased voltage Vi of t equal to 10 millivolts, okay, which increases the forward biasing of the transistor, which in turn increases IB base current. Okay, now the base current is increased to 40 microamperes, so that collector current IC equal to 4 milliamperes. Okay, so at t equal to 0, my base current is 20 microamperes and collector current IC equal to 2 milliamperes. Whenever input voltage 10 millivolts, my base current is 40 microamperes and IC equal to 4 milliamperes. Okay, now what is the output voltage? So V0 equal to IC into RL, right? So IC equal to 4 milliamperes and already is fixed value 1 kilo ohm, right? So 1 kilo ohm. So that how much voltage? 4 volts, right? So for amplifier, here I am applying the input voltage 10 millivolts. Now we got the output voltage 4 volts. Means because of amplifier action, the input voltage is 10 millivolts is improved to 4 millivolts. So its amplitude before amplifying action 10 millivolts, after amplifying action 4 volts. So now it is increased to 4 volts. So that voltage gain equal to A equal to output voltage by input voltage. Okay, so what is my output voltage? 4 volts and input voltage is how much? 10 millivolts. So 4 by 10 millivolts, total 400. Means voltage gain A equal to 400. That means the output voltage is 400 times of the input voltage. Okay, so now in this way the transistor which improves the or increases the amplitude of the weak signal. Okay, thank you. So students, you have any doubts, please you can ask through WhatsApp or phone call or put comment. Thank you.